Leading a Warriors Charge is the partnership that we have with Workshops for Warriors. We're very proud to provide cash donation to support the scholarships of the students there, as well as providing product for them to use within the various workshops.
Workshops for Warriors was founded in 2008, and it's the only accredited school in the nation that does training, certification, and placement for veterans, wounded warriors, and transitioning service members into advanced manufacturing careers throughout America.
Our students are using the Weiler grinding wheels, flapper wheels, wire brushes to complete their qualification welds.
Weiler supports Workshops for Warriors on a daily basis. We have almost 60 students going through classes here every day, grinding, chipping, or sanding away at something, and most of the time they're doing it on a Weiler product.
We put the Workshops for Warriors logo on our boxes. We even have some t-shirts printed. It's always fun to walk through the factory and see folks wearing a t-shirt with the Workshops for Warrior logo on it.
This is just a way to draw more attention to a great organization and get people to know about what benefit you have for the men and women in the service.
Is really about supporting the veterans that are coming out of the military and providing them skills that are applicable in the workforce, specifically within manufacturing.
I'm Trina Williams. I am the team lead in the specialty pack area at Weiler Abrasives Group. As a mom, you think to yourself, oh my gosh, my son is leaving college to pursue a military career.
He decided to join the Navy when he was a junior in high school. What he was trained for in the service, there's not much use for on an everyday basis.
My biggest fear is he won't be able to find a job. He's got a wife and 2 kids to support. That's a huge issue for him.
As a mom, it's heartbreaking to see your son or daughter struggle. When I ask him questions, his thing is if you've never been through it, Mom, you're not gonna understand. And I just hope that with this program, and if there's other programs, that it helps them transition a little bit easier.
There's a lot of MOSs and jobs within the military that really don't leave people with anything in the future afterwards. And being that we get to go here tuition free because of companies like Weiler, it really means a lot.
They're providing them with nationally recognized certifications, and this is important. It provides instant credibility of the quality of training that they've received and their preparedness to contribute immediately in the workforce.
The training that we're getting here at Workshops for Warriors is going to prepare us for our transition out of the service, and once we actually make that transition, we'll be able to succeed.
All these products that Weiler have been donating to us are products that the industry uses. Welding shops, structural welding, wherever they go after here, they're going to be using these products as well.
There's a shortage of welders. There's a shortage of people doing this trade in the marketplace. So it's really going to open up doors.
We are very grateful for Weiler's partnership, not only because they did something to support us, but because they're proving to the industry that they are willing to lead the charge.
If you see a spark flying here at Workshops for Warriors, it's coming off of a Weiler product.
Working for a company like Weiler that is reaching out to help vets makes me feel a sense of pride.
It makes me even more proud to know that the things that I touch every day, some of our military members are going to be touching to train.
If I had the chance to talk to somebody from Weiler, I would just love to thank them for how much it means to have a company like that supporting us and backing us.
We can make a difference in thousands and thousands of military members' lives so they can find a job, so they can support their families.
I love that it's a family-owned business that cares about giving back.
I think it's terrific that we're doing this. It's an awesome feeling that I like. It makes me proud to work for this company.
It makes a tremendous difference to our students that go through their training program knowing that America supports them, that they're using American-made products, and that when they graduate, they'll be able to use that American product in whatever it is that they are doing. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for making this happen.